In demo, I felt like a pro. Solid setup, smooth execution, and a nice green equity curve. But the moment I went live, hesitation, doubt, and losses that stung way more than I expected. So what changed? Not the market, not my strategy. The difference was me. Today, I'm sharing the 5 biggest differences between demo and live trading. And for each one, I'll give you a tip I wish I knew before I went live. Hi, Kojak's Pro here, a trader, and I've been trading for over 3.5 years. Demo trading is easy, but live trading, that's a different ballgame. I traded demo for over a year before I went live. That was quite long, but did it stop me from experiencing the challenges of live trading? No. This video will detail some of the things I learned and actionable steps I put in place in order to become a better trader during live. So let's get into the video. In demo, a 2% loss is just like pixels, but in live, that's like a whole food off your plate. You hesitate, you panic, you doubt yourself, even if the setup is perfect. Tip: use a small live account at first. Call it your emotional trainer. Trade with micro lot sizes until you are emotionally numb to the outcome. Your job isn't to make money yet, it's to train emotional detachment. When you lose in demo, it's like a small piece of crap. That's what your feelings and emotions tell you. But when you lose in life, it comes haunting you. You start journaling excuses instead of trades. You get emotionally attached to the outcome. To combat this, create a post-trade checklist with 3 outcomes. 1. Did I follow my plan? 2. Was the trade valid? 3. Would I take it again? This reframes losses as data, not identity. With real money on the line, you feel a pull to trade more. You want to fix the loss. You want to feel like you're doing something. Overtrading is a temptation to ruin your account, and the best way to combat this is predefine your daily trade limit. It could be 2 or 3 setups a day, whether it's a win or a loss. Then physically step away from the charts. The market is going to be here tomorrow, but your discipline? No. In demo, you get perfect fills. In live, you get slips. Spread may be wider or delayed, especially during high volatility conditions. What you can do is to backtest with realistic conditions. Use tools like TradingView's bar replay or Forex tester, but make sure to turn on your spread and slippage simulation whenever you are doing trades. And if your strategy can survive dirty fills, it's likely robust. When you go live, you become a trader, and suddenly you're afraid of being a failure. That identity pressure can cause you to overanalyze, freeze, and sometimes not pick trades at all in order not to lose. Detach identity from outcome. You're not a good or a bad trader because of one trade. What you can do is to track your process stats using metrics like plan adherence and not just P&L. Fall in love with execution, not results. Going live isn't just a technical transition, it's a psychological transformation. But if you go in prepared with the right expectations and habits, you can navigate it without blowing up or burning out. Start small, focus on process, and remember, the market rewards patience and discipline more than perfect entries. If this video helped, check out my breakdown on how I eliminate emotion by journaling my trades. I'll link it here. And tell me in the comments, what was your biggest lesson going live? And I might feature it in my next video.